Valorant error code when 1067 is a common issue, primarily seen on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I have already fixed this error and uploaded a tutorial, but it still does not work for many people. There might be some reasons for this, and it could be related to Windows. Either the system requirement are not met, the configuration is disturbed, or some settings are turned off. In today's video, we will discuss all these topics in detail to cover everything comprehensively. First, let's discuss why this error occurs and how you can fix it. So step number 1, check your system capability. I have mentioned earlier that meeting the minimum requirement is crucial to play Valorant. You can check this on the official website, and I'll also provide a snapshot for you to match. Now, number 2, restart your computer and the Valorant client. Sometimes this error 1067 occur due to glitches or bugs. Simply restart can fix the problem. Number 3, repair Valorant. Valorant may get corrupt leading to this error, so perform a repair is a simple solution. Click on the Windows icon, then search for Riot client. Open it. Once you open the Riot client, in the Riot client you can just go into the profile and then into the settings where you can just repair your Valorant. So here is the profile icon, and then click on the settings, click on the Valorant, and then click on repair. Now in my case, your game is up to date, your game is good to go, no repair is needed, so just close it. It's fine. But in your case, if it's corrupted, you can repair it from repair button. Now step number 4, restart VGC servers. VGC servers are related to Vanguard. If VGC is not running properly, restarting it can solve the issue. I'll provide further detail on this, so watch till end. At the end, I'll show you a complete detail about VGC, how you can restart it by manually and also using the command prompt. So let's move on to step number 5. Allow Valorant through your firewall. Sometimes the firewall might block Valorant. Allowing Valorant in the firewall settings can resolve the issue. Simply you can click on the arrow icon on the taskbar, and then you can open the Windows security, and here you can see firewall and network. Now here you need to click on the active public network. If it's private active, then you need to go over there, but in my case it's public. Once you go over there, you can also disable the firewall. If you disable and then try to start your Valorant, might be this will work if it's working. So simply you need to add your Valorant in your firewall settings. How you can do this? Just re-enable this after testing. Go into the allow an app through firewall, and here simply you need to add your Valorant. Click on the allow another app and then click on browse. Now go where you have installed the Valorant, Riot Games, Valorant Live, and here it is. Add this one, then shooter games, binary, Win64, add this file too, and simply you need to add one more file, the Riot client. You can also add the Vanguard over here. Just simply go into the program files and find here the Riot Vanguard. Go over there and simply you need to add the VGC. This will solve your problem. After finishing these work, now follow some additional tips first, and then I'll explain how to restart VGC. Tip number 1, first make sure to update Windows so that no essential files are missing which might be preventing Valorant from launching. Click on the Windows icon, go into the settings, and then at the end you will see update and security. Just click on it and then click on check for updates. Now it's updating. You can also check some additional options if there's any. Just make sure to update related to your Windows and drivers if it's important. Otherwise, just ignore these. Now after doing these, just close it. It will automatically update and ask you to restart your PC. Now the tip number 2, run some commands to scan Windows. If there's any issue in the installed version, this will fix it. So simply click on the Windows, type cmd and run as administrator. Once you run this administrator, the first command you need to apply here the sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. It will take a few seconds or minutes depending on your computer performance, and once it's complete, if there's any corrupted file, it will repair it. After finishing these, now it's time to start the VGC servers. And for that, simply once again open the command prompt, run as administratorly, and you need to type here the net start VGC, hit enter. Now the VGC service is starting. The VGC service was started successfully. Once more, net start VGK and hit enter. The requested service has already been started. More help is available by typing the net help msg2182. We don't need to type these, but you need to apply these two commands. After applying these commands, just type exit, and now this time you can launch your Valorant. This will solve your problem. One more step you can do here, if these commands are not working, you can simply type here the services.msc and hit enter. Once you go into the services section, simply select any service and press V. You will get here the VGC. Now in my case it's running, might be in your case it's not running. Go into the properties, select here the manual option, don't go with the automatic. And if it's already running but the Vanguard is not installing properly or not launching the Valorant, just click on the stop and then start it again. This will solve your problem. After doing this, make sure make a restart to your PC, so your problem should be fixed 100%. But still, if you are getting, one more thing you can do here is now simply go click on the arrow icon and right click on your Vanguard. Once you go over there, go into the more, uninstall your Vanguard and restart your PC. Now after doing this, simply you can go again on the Windows icon and then search for our client, launch it after restarting. Okay, first uninstall Riot Vanguard and then make a restart. After restarting, launch the Riot client. This time when you start the Valorant, it will install Vanguard once again, and hopefully your problem should be fixed 100%. If you are still having trouble, consider reinstalling Riot Vanguard. This often resolve the problem. I hope all your issues have been resolved. If you are still experiencing any problem, please be sure to provide feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. It's because of your support that I am here today, and with your continuously help, I'll achieve even greater milestone in the future. Inshallah, you guys are awesome. Thanks for your support. See you in the next one. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.